So I never actually deleted it. In my last video, I told you that I pulled the plug on my animated AI YouTube channel named The Wolf. I told you that AI Slop was dead and that the algorithm wanted a human behind the channel. That's why I was pivoting. What I didn't tell you was what I actually did with the code that I made. I didn't actually delete it, I promoted it. Which might sound funny, but I promoted it to my AI manager. So welcome to JuiceClaw, where we build the factory so the art can thrive behind the scenes. If you've been watching since before video 6, you're gonna notice something completely different about this video. This is the first time that myself, have actually been on camera. There's no more voiceovers that are just faceless, and no more thumbnails that have AI Slop written all over them. The channel is growing up a little bit. So let me introduce you to somebody. His name is Dwight. That's what I'm calling it. The last couple of videos I've talked about the wolf. Dwight is nothing like that. Dwight, he's no longer a content generator. Here's what Dwight actually does. File management, memory logging, heartbeat reports, session notes, every file name right, every decision logged, every task tracked. Dwight is the one that is now doing the tasks that I don't have time for anymore. The stuff that when it breaks and nobody fixes it, everything grinds to a halt. And yes, I gave him a personality. Dwight is loyal, opinionated, not afraid to push back. And if you get the reference, well, you know. Here's something I want to be honest about, because this channel is about building in public. JuiceClaw isn't a hobby channel. It's filed. It's a Scheduled C. Juice Productions is a sole proprietorship, and every video, every beat, every decision I make, it's being documented as a business operating in real time on this channel. Here's how I think about it. JuiceClaw is the factory. The music, the content, that's the product. A factory without systems is just chaos. So I built the system. Dwight runs the factory floor, kind of like a supervisor at my old job, and he lets me be the artist. A lot of creators treat their channel as a creative outlet, which is fine, but if you're trying to build something that compounds, that really grows, you're gonna need some infrastructure. You need someone watching the back end while you're creating. Not many people can afford an actual management team, so that's why I hired Dwight. And while Dwight has been running the operations behind my business, what I'm actually doing is an upcoming EP produced by myself under prodby Juice, real music, real production, not AI generated obviously, but actual craft. That's the real story here. People think AI replaces artists. I use AI to protect my name as an artist myself. Dwight handles the noise so I can handle the signal. This channel is gonna keep documenting the build. Every system I set up, every decision I make while growing this thing, the wins, the data, the mistakes. You're watching Juice Productions get built in real time. And the best part is, Dwight is taking notes on all of it. If you want to follow the build and see if AI can actually help me create an independent music label, go ahead and subscribe. Video 6 is linked down below if you want to get the full context on the wolf and kind of why I paused it. If you're a producer, a creator, or just someone building something real, I want to hear from you in the comments. Let me know what you're working on with AI, with OpenClaw, and all these new models coming out. I think agentic AI is to the future, and it kind of motivated me to start making this channel. So let me know what y'all are working on down below. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Have a good one.